Are you planning on making a move this year? Before you can experience that awesome moment of receiving your key and stepping into your new home for the very first time, there are a few things you need to know. So the very first step is to figure out your financing. Now, this is how you're going to pay for the house. There are a couple of options. The first one would be to pay out of pocket, and the other option would be go ahead and get a loan. You would meet with your loan officer and figure out how much you could pre-qualify for. So this is how much your bank or mortgage company is willing to loan you for your new home. They look at your credit score and your debt to income ratio. Once you figure out the financing portion, how you're going to pay for the house, how much you need to set in reserves for your closing costs, any other expenses that might occur, such as getting inspections done or appraisal or any other expenses that come up. The second step in purchasing a home is to meet with your realtor and go over your search criteria. So this would be everything that you're looking for in your new home. So this is everything you need and everything you want. This would be where you would go over your purchase price, the location you want to be in, and the floor plan that you want. Room by room, neighborhoods, school districts, if you need it in a certain location to fit into your lifestyle, and you will figure out exactly what type of home and where you want your new home to be. Once you figured out everything that you want and need in your new home, this is where you step into step 3, which is the fun part. This is where you get to go look at the homes. So what you would do is you would work with your agent, figure out which homes are available for sale right now in the neighborhood that you want, and you will schedule to go look at the homes. Once you've figured out the perfect home, that's when you write an offer. This is the purchase contract. The sellers will go back and forth with you to figure out all the terms. So if you state that you want to close 30 days from now, but sellers need 45 days to move all their belongings, then you might have to go back and forth. You will figure it out pretty quickly, whatever set amount days that you need to come to an agreement. You will step into the escrow period. This is where you have all these timelines, which are clearly set out in the purchase agreement. So you would have 10 days to do an inspection. And after you are done with your inspections, you would have a negotiation period if needed. Once the seller has accepted your offer, you are now under contract to purchase this home. So it will be effectively held for you up until the closing day on the contract. In most cases, the contract provides you with timelines to obtain financing, as well as time to inspect the physical condition of the property. Your realtor will walk you through the whole entire process, all your rights and responsibilities pertaining to the timelines of the escrow process. After you have completed all the fine details of the escrow process, such as doing inspections, conducting appraisals, performing your due diligence to purchase this home, then you are all set and you will get a clear to close. Now just have to sign all the documents at closing day. What happens on closing day? Well, this is where you transfer the funds and you transfer ownership. This is where you will sign all your paperwork at a title company and you get your key and you can move into your new home.